Hi, I'm Ben Lee, Principal Consultant for Modality Systems. Joined at Ignite with
Tom Arbuthnot, Principal Solutions Architect, and as Ben says, we're here at Ignite, and this is start of day 2. So we were just going to do a quick recap of day 1 and what's coming in day 2.
Yeah, so day 1 we had the main keynote by Satya, then there was the main sort of public keynote around Microsoft 365, and then about 4 o'clock was the big one for us about Skype for Business, its future direction and team. So anything in particular you picked out of the keynote as interesting?
Yeah, the keynote for me, there was a lot in the keynote, obviously, lots around AI, lots around cloud, but specifically around collaboration, it was the LinkedIn stuff that was really interesting for me. So bringing together all of LinkedIn's information and Office Graph and kind of leveraging that information. So examples they gave were things like if you're having a meeting and your Outlook calendar actually tells you everything about people internally and externally of your org based on what's on LinkedIn. So for me, that would be super useful. Like customer meeting, quick look at Outlook, everybody's roles, titles, background. I can see that being really powerful.
Yeah, and then they had some HoloLens demos, didn't they, where they were showing sort of chat integration and how that sort of helps people from different parts of the world all work together. And that's based around Teams, which I guess is another one of the big announcements that came out yesterday about Skype for Business. And they're looking to sort of drive adoption of Teams.
Yeah. So they put a blog post out first thing in the morning. Teams was featured a lot in the keynote, and the 4 o'clock session was all about Teams is Microsoft's strategic direction for cloud. So they believe over time it will evolve to be the cloud client for unified communications and collaboration. I think that's important. They see it as more than just UC. It's about working together, hence Teams. And that was handled really well in the announcement.
Yeah, it was some good messaging and some reassurance there as well that, it's not that Skype for Business is going away. There will be another version of Skype for Business on-prem. There'll be another version of the client that ties in with that. But Teams is kind of the strategic direction, and they're working really hard to get feature parity and beyond. I mean, there was some pretty interesting stuff around meeting recording. So at the moment in Skype Online, you have to record it client side and then remember to put it in SharePoint. With Teams, you from your chat, you schedule your meeting, you've got all your documents. When you hop into the meeting, you can record it. That recording goes straight back in, so anyone who wasn't able to attend at the time can view it. But then also using the cloud transcription services, pulls out all of the context of the meeting.
Yeah, they talk about Teams being born in the cloud, so they don't have to think about things that are in the cloud and comparing them to prem. It's just we have this massive transcription, we have the AI, we have the cloud scale, we can record every meeting. That's where you're seeing Teams leverage the cloud power, which is really good.
So anything in particular looking forward to today?
So today is Server VNet, so there's a session in about 20 minutes that Ben and I are going to run to. It's all about Skype Business Server VNet, so we'll see what the specific announcements are there. And so by the end of the day today, we should know a lot about Teams and a lot about Skype Server.
Yeah. So we'll try and check back in tomorrow. If there's any questions or bits of information people are looking for, give us a shout, and we'll do our best to come back with it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.